Hi, this is Michelle Courtois. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a panel in Kaledo Knit. We are going to go to our menu at the top left-hand corner and we are going to select Knit Panel Settings. Here in Panel Settings we're going to be able to set up our DPI, which is at 300. We want to keep it there. We want to keep all of these other settings. The raster maximum size of 8, setting this up as a repeat, showing a background. So leave all of those settings the same. Over here in panel size, this is where we're going to make some adjustments. So right now the panel, which is essentially our canvas, is set for 19.9 inches wide and 20 inches tall. So an average front panel of a garment is 22. And our height we're going to make 26. Down here under courses and wales we can choose from existing profiles if we select the drop down menu here or the drop down menu here. These are presets. So what's a wale? A wale is a vertical column of loops produced by the same needle knitting and successive knitting cycles, and our courses are rows of loops across the width of the fabric. So if you take a look at the sheet that I gave you for the yarn count table, we are going to go with a 7 gauge knit for now. You can set this up for a 3 gauge, a 5 gauge, 7, 10, 12, 14, 18, and 24. So here we want it to be a 7 gauge, which is essentially 8 wales by 10 courses. So here we're going to change this. I'm going to make it 7.9, which is essentially 8, and it's already set at 10. So we're going to hit OK. And if I zoom out, you're going to see a box. We want to fill that box in. It didn't generate all of our stitches, so I'm going to go up to the paint bucket. I'm going to make sure A is selected, and I'm just going to dump that into my ground. And now we have a panel that's ready to start knitting, and we have our default yarn, which is the 1 by 1 cotton stitch.